Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2021 Mazda 3 G20 Touring hatch, stock reference number 7363. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a PEVS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. PEVS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard, does have one small dent. Left front, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, does have a tiny little stone chip. Left front door, no damage. Left rear door, no damage. Left side skirt, left rear, factory alloy mag, 18-inch, good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Rear bumper in tidy condition. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. We have the center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory display screen, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.